Are you tired of the constant notifications and alerts that your Facebook mobile app sends? In this quick video, I'm going to show you how you can easily turn them off or disable them. But I'll also show you how to customize them and leave some notifications that are maybe important to you, but turn off the boring ones and the ones you don't need. We'll exit our Facebook mobile application and then open the settings on our device. Select the notification settings, and that's going to get us to this page where we can customize a lot of stuff. A list with all of our different apps will appear, and we will, of course, select Facebook from this list. You can see that we have a lot of different options in here regarding our Facebook notifications. You can customize these, disable the lock screen notifications if you don't need them, turn off the sounds that the app makes or badges, and all that other stuff. So if you need any of these notification styles, you can leave them enabled but turn the other ones off. But if you don't want any notifications from the Facebook mobile app on your device, simply turn off the switch that says Allow Notifications. From now on, you won't get any notifications from the app on your lock screen, home screen, or in the notification center. You will be able to see the notifications when you open the app directly. And that's about it for this video, everyone. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a comment down below and I'll see you in the next video.